This week's CCJ Tech Shorts features a solution to Dashcam privacy concerns, a platform that optimizes domestic freight networks, and enhancements to a heavy-duty towing platform. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Connected mobility platform Teletrac Navman has rolled out an enhanced privacy mode feature for its smart dashcam users. This mode enables fleet managers to prioritize driver safety while upholding privacy, which is an ongoing concern of drivers. A survey by Teletrac Navman revealed that while 85% of fleets see AI as the future of safety, 23% express concerns about data privacy related to cameras and AI. Enhanced privacy mode directly responds to these concerns by allowing fleet managers to pause driver-facing video recordings while still capturing critical in-cab audio alerts and inward alert data. This ensures that unsafe driver behaviors such as mobile phone use and erratic driving can still be identified without compromising driver privacy. With enhanced privacy mode activated, fleets can effectively manage dashcam recordings while maintaining AI event detection capabilities. Warp has launched a new program called FreedomChain, built to help brands and retailers optimize the one part of their supply chain they can still control, the domestic freight network. Warp's co-founder and chief revenue officer said, "In a tariff-ridden world, the easiest place to unlock value isn't overseas, it's right here at home. Not every brand can reshore overnight, but every brand can optimize how their U.S. inventory moves inside their freight network. This is how it works. Shippers share their volumes, frequencies, and lane data, and they receive a custom optimization plan with a detailed freight consolidation and cost savings proposal. Warp handles carrier orchestration, routing, and real-time tracking. Powered by Warp's intelligent routing platform, a flexible vehicle fleet of cargo vans, box trucks, 53-foot trailers and drop trailers, and a nationwide network of cross docks, FreedomChain offers an alternative to traditional LTL and FTL. Tow4Tech, a SaaS-based platform for the commercial fleet towing industry, is expanding its national network of heavy-duty and medium-duty towing providers, enhancing its platform capabilities and growing its engineering team, all to deliver faster, more reliable towing and roadside assistance for trucking fleets. By eliminating outdated processes and digitizing operations, Tow4Tech is modernizing the legacy infrastructure that still dominates commercial fleet towing. Its national platform leverages real-time geolocation and intelligent dispatching to seamlessly connect commercial trucking companies and fleet operators with heavy-duty tow and roadside providers. The system tracks operator performance, dispatches jobs instantly, manages them end-to-end, and automates invoicing for faster turnaround. Replacing ineffective manual dispatching with a real-time data-driven approach, Tow4Tech ensures the fastest, most efficient provider is selected, streamlining the entire process. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.